What's up? This is a shout out to What's Your Noise?
Whoa, word, dude. That was so ill.
I'm Gene. I am a beatboxer and street performer. Beatboxing, I feel like, is my best way to express myself, my feelings, and it's so immediate. I can create music out of nothing, just with my mouth. This girl recently lost her job, and she was feeling down until she saw me perform. And like she was kind of crying, like she gave me a big hug, and then like she went on another interview right afterwards, and then she got that job. But I don't know, maybe like me performing like switched her mentality into a positive vibe.
Devonte.